Hello everyone. So to get started using Opentoonz, we first need to install the software. So open up your favorite web browsing program and just search for Opentoonz. Here I've opened my open Google, and I'm just going to click on the first one that comes up. And here we can actually see we're on the Opentoonz website. We can either scroll down or quickly go to the download option here. I'll just click on download, and this will take us to download Opentoonz and other softwares that work smoothly with the program. So I'm just interested in Opentoonz for now. I'll just click on that. You can also scroll down and also click here to find out the requirements for the operating system you're actually using. So once we're here, we'll see the terms of use. We'll just scroll down, and we don't need to, one reads that, but we can now download for the specific operating system. I'm using a Windows operating system, so this is actually going to download. It's a very light software, about 55 megabytes, and it's actually an executable program. So all you need to do once it has downloaded is just to hit the double click on the download, and you should be good to go and have Opentoonz installed. Alright, so now that it has downloaded, all we need to do is go to the folder where we have that. So we'll just right click on that. So I have it on my downloads. I'll just right click and say run as administrator. And it wants me to, I'll just click yes. You want to allow this app from an unknown publisher, yada yada yada. I'll just click yes and click OK. Now I already have it installed. If I click accept and hit the next button, it's going to find a location to install this. Now when you reinstall Opentoonz, this is where it wants to place your Opentoonz stuff folder. So this is where your projects and other things are going to exist. So if I actually click on that, it's going to clear this. But let me just go ahead and show you. I'm going to exit the setup because I have that set up already. I'll just show you my drive D. And this is where I've actually installed my Opentoonz. So this is it, Opentoonz stuff. This is where all the installation folders are. These are where the projects are. They're all in here. Lots and lots of projects actually. So they're all installed here. So that's how you can install Opentoonz, and in our next lesson, we'll begin to look at some basic primers before we start jumping into Animate.